Hello everyone, Brandon Boyd here with IM Mastery Academy. I want to show you how to place a customer. So when you're an IBO, you want to make sure that you place people within 7 days. Otherwise, it goes direct frontline to you. So this is the strategy. When you log into the back office, you're going to click on the menu button. Now yours may look different with the colors with the new website, but you hit the menu button and then you go scroll down to placement tree. When you get there, this is what you're going to see. So if you had a brand new person and you're an IBO, because you won't see this as a customer. Customer does not have access to see their genealogy tree. An IBO does. I don't personally recommend that a person become an IBO till they have at least 3 personal customers and their intention is to build. Now you can go to placement tree and take a look. So you have a member to place. Again, they have to be placed within 7 days. So you take a look. There's their ID to have their name. I've got it covered up for privacy reasons. And what you want to do is you want to scroll down to any frontline customers that you have on that same exact page under placement tree. You want to find the ID number of the person that you actually want to place to that customer. And you can find that right on the left side. All you have to do is basically copy and paste that number into it. It looks like this. You just copy the ID of the person that you want to place and you paste the ID in that field and you hit place. It's very simple. Now here's the thing that helps you with your volume. It helps them with their volume as well. So if they decide to go out and build this, that'll actually give them credit as well. It will not be one of their personals. That's one of the questions I get asked all the time. Does that count as one of their 2 and free? The answer is no, because you are the one that enrolled them. However, it does give them volume when they decide to start building this as a IBO. Okay, so you get the credit, but they do as well as they start building. So guys, this is how to place a customer inside of IM Mastery Academy.